beautiful friends, welcome to 1 Minute Tuesday, and today in this video I'll be talking about can popping pimple cause death. So why pimples are caused? Pimples are caused because of the accumulation of dead skin cells, and when it comes in contact with the oil, the protrusion is formed. So there is lots and lots of bacteria in the air which comes in contact with this protrusion, and there is the formation of pus. So this is a very natural tendency that we all want to pop the pimple up, but it is always not a very good idea because popping pimple can lead to inflammation, it can lead to scarring and infection as well. But it can also lead to death. How? There is a triangle of death on our faces. Whenever you pop the pimple in that triangle, the infection comes in contact with the blood and it hypothetically enters in your brain and it might cause death. So anyways, popping pimple is not a very good idea. Yes, the chances of dying are very less. Anyways, you should never do it. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.